My For You page is full of amazing car videographers and creators, and their videos always look so cool, so I wanted to give it a try. I called up my buddy Zach and said, "Hey, you busy tonight?" We picked a location and I posted about it on my story, not expecting anyone to come. The GT86 is cool, but as Zach said it himself, what showed up next was going to steal the show. So as the cars were rolling in, I wanted to get some static shots. I got a bunch of stuff for Instagram, and I was using my gimbal. But then I wanted to try my drone out. I just got it, it's a Mavic 3 Classic, and it is sweet. After we got the drone shots that turned out great, I wanted to do some rollers. So we had Nathaniel driving the Civic and me laying in the back, in the trunk. Definitely some things I would do differently, but I think the rollers turned out good. After it got dark, we decided to go to this empty parking lot to get some photos, but it was quite the story.
Oh my, holy crap.
I hope you got that on video.
Oh, I got it. Oh, is he good? Wait, did he hit anything?
Yeah, no, it just rolled down.
He looked, it would have.
That was crazy.
Bro, did you cut that on tape?
I caught that.
I want the footage.
I think that's the most that we got is some dirt in my
Are you
wheels.
good?
Yeah.
Oh
nothing.
my god, I thought you were gonna flip for sure.
From this
And
side,
I
he
was
was
also walking to go where you were, and it was looking like it was coming from me. I was like, all right.
Yeah, I was walking up. I'm like, bro.
So after that event, we brought Zach's car to Dakota's house. Her dad has a sick garage. He helped Zach take all the grass out of his tire, and his car was unharmed.
Yeah, definitely not good. But also happy it didn't get worse. I think I'll stick to drifting in parking lots until I get a hang of small road.
Yeah.
I want to give a big shout out to everyone who came. The car community is so chill. I've linked everyone's Instagrams in the description. Overall, I would say an awesome day, and I definitely want to do more car shoots in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.